Hey everyone, you might be surprised to learn just how amazing aloe vera really is. Today, I'm going to share why this plant is often hailed as one of nature's top healers. Welcome to CareConnect Studio. In this video, we're diving into the scientifically backed perks of aloe vera, from its ability to heal skin to aiding digestion, boosting immunity, and protecting our bodies from the inside out. Stick around, because the last few benefits we'll cover are not often talked about, but they're super important for anyone in the medical field. Aloe vera is everywhere these days, in creams, juices, gels, and capsules. However, a lot of people don't know the right way to use it. Some folks just apply it to their skin, while others sip on the juice without knowing how much they should take. Plus, many aren't aware of which aloe vera products are actually effective. So today, I'll break down the medical insights on aloe vera, complete with easy-to-follow steps, safety tips, and real-life health benefits. Benefit 1. Skin healing and regeneration key advantage. Aloe vera is well known for its quick skin repairing abilities. The gel is packed with beneficial elements such as polysaccharides, great for rebuilding skin cells, glycoproteins, help ease pain and swelling, vitamins A, C, and E. These antioxidants shield the skin from environmental damage. Research shows that aloe vera can speed up the healing of minor burns by up to 30%, calm down irritated and sensitive skin, minimize redness and swelling from small cuts or injuries, boost the healing process of wounds, promote collagen production, keeping skin healthy and elastic. How it works. Aloe vera boosts blood circulation to damaged areas, which helps fibroblasts, the cells that rebuild tissues, do their job better. Best applications: sunburn, minor burns from cooking, razor burn, rashes, inflammation from acne, light scars. Benefit 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. One of aloe vera's standout features is its ability to fight inflammation. It includes compounds like berdicanase, C-glucosylchromone, salicylic acid. These powerful components act like natural anti-inflammatories. Because of this, aloe vera is great for treating swollen or tender skin, mild joint aches, muscle tiredness, skin irritation from allergies or irritants, inflammatory acne, reducing internal inflammation when consumed as juice. Benefits include better digestion, less bloating, enhanced gut health. Benefit 3. Aloe vera for digestion and gut support. Aloe vera juice is commonly used to boost digestive health. It helps by increasing water content in the intestinal lining, supporting muscle contractions, encouraging the growth of good gut bacteria, lowering stomach acidity, and soothing the stomach lining. This makes aloe vera helpful for easing mild to moderate constipation, reducing acid reflux, improving nutrient absorption, alleviating symptoms similar to IBS, protecting the stomach lining from damage, helping with quicker recovery from burns or injuries. Benefit 4. Loaded with antioxidants. Aloe vera is rich in active nutrients, including vitamins A, C, E, and B12. These antioxidants offer several advantages: lowering oxidative stress, slowing down aging, boosting the immune system, safeguarding vital organs from free radical damage, enhancing skin radiance, supporting faster recovery from injuries or surgeries. These health benefits are evident in various medical treatments, including reducing reactive oxygen species ROS, which helps protect tissues from inflammation and harm. Benefit 4. Packed with antioxidants. Aloe vera is loaded with over 75 active nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and E, vitamin B12, which is pretty rare in plants, choline, essential minerals like zinc, magnesium, and potassium, amino acids. These antioxidants are great for cutting down oxidative stress, slowing down cellular aging, boosting your immune system, shielding organs from free radicals, enhancing your skin's glow, aiding quicker recovery. For those in the medical field, aloe vera helps to reduce reactive oxygen species ROS, which protects tissues from inflammation and damage. Benefit 5. Natural antibacterial features. Aloe vera has anthraquinones like aloin and emodin, which give it antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal qualities. This makes aloe vera useful for stopping bacterial growth on wounds, fighting acne-causing bacteria, tackling mild fungal skin infections, keeping your scalp healthy. That's why you'll find aloe vera in first aid gels, moisturizers, acne treatments, hair serums, medicinal creams. Benefit 6. Oil-free moisturizer. Aloe vera gel is based on water, not oil. This makes it an ideal natural moisturizer for oily skin, combination skin, acne-prone skin, dehydrated skin. It hydrates deeply without blocking pores, which helps prevent acne breakouts and improves your skin's overall texture. Benefit 7. Promotes hair growth and scalp health. Aloe vera benefits your scalp and hair by boosting blood circulation, reducing dandruff, balancing scalp pH, strengthening hair roots, minimizing hair loss. It has enzymes that help get rid of dead skin on the scalp, leading to healthier hair follicles. You'll see the best results when you use it as an overnight hair mask, a mix of aloe and coconut oil, a combination of aloe and onion juice, directly applying aloe vera gel to the scalp. Benefit 8. Supports immune system. Aloe vera is rich in polysaccharides that enhance the function of macrophages, T cells, B cells, natural killer cells. This helps your body fight off infections more effectively. Regularly drinking aloe vera juice can boost your body's defenses, aid detoxification, lower inflammation, enhance metabolic health. It's a fantastic natural supplement for overall wellness. Benefit 9. Enhances oral and dental health. Aloe vera is proven to improve oral hygiene. It combats bacteria that cause plaque, gum infections, bad breath, mouth ulcers. Using an aloe vera mouth rinse can be just as effective as chlorhexidine, but without the side effects like teeth staining. It helps with gingivitis, gum bleeding, dry mouth, oral ulcers, mild infections. Benefit 10. Aids in blood sugar control. Aloe vera might help lower blood sugar levels in those with mild diabetes when taken in the right amounts. Better insulin sensitivity, reduced fasting blood sugar, lower HbA1c levels in some cases, decreased cholesterol. Mistakes Warnings section. This crucial part of your health and safety. Issue 1. Using untreated yellow latex from aloe. Using raw aloe latex can lead to several hazardous consequences. Severe diarrhea, stomach cramps, imbalanced electrolyte levels. Always utilize purified, decolorized aloe juice. Issue 2. Putting aloe vera on severe wounds. Aloe vera is amazing for minor cuts or injuries, but it's not suitable for moderate or extensive wounds or surgical sites. Issue 3. Excessive aloe vera juice consumption. Taking too much of it could lead to upset stomach, cramps, lowered potassium levels. Recommended amount: 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. Make sure it's of the medical grade variety. Issue 4. Application of aloe vera on skin prone to allergies. Some individuals may have an adverse reaction to aloe vera. Always do a patch test first to determine if it's safe for you. To sum up, aloe vera holds immense benefits for skin care, managing inflammation, supporting digestive system function, upgrading the immune system, promoting healthy hair growth, enhancing oral hygiene, and more. It's an incredibly versatile and effective natural remedy. However, it's essential to use it in the right manner and at the right time. If you found this information helpful, hit subscribe to CareConnect Studio for more health and medical insights. Please share your thoughts in the comments about which plant or ingredient you would like me to highlight next. Thank you for tuning in. Keep feeling healthy and remain informed with CareConnect Studio.